Okay, so in this video, I'll show you a quick scalping strategy, crypto scalping strategy that anyone can do using free indicators on TradingView. It's going to be very simple. I just managed to scalp 5 trades that I put out in my crypto signals group. That, by the way, there's a link for it in the description down below. It's pretty cool. So you don't have to look for setups. I'm here giving you 5 to 40 signals per day. Check the link in the description down below. Plus, I'm sponsored by Bybit, the exchange, and there's a really good 1.6 rank bonus you can claim using the link in the description down below. So let's talk about the indicator and how it works. Keep in mind the video is not financial advice. I'm a super random dude on the internet. You should do your own due diligence, and to make sure this indicator works well, you want to combine it with other indicators just like I did. I've made a lot of videos on the other indicators I use, but you can do your own that you've seen work, or some analysis that you've seen work. I'll just show you how this indicator works within the video. So the first thing you want to do is change the time frame to 5 minutes or 1 minute. I prefer the 5 minute because you'll be paying less in fees. Then you want to click on Heikin-Ashi right here. Candlesticks, from candles, change it to Heikin-Ashi. It's just cleaner. Then the next thing you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and click on indicator and type in pip 30 or 30 pips. Here it is, scalping 30 pips. Click on this and this indicator will pop up. It will be a little bit messier, so you want to click on the settings bar. You want to click on this, comes down. You want to disable plot. You want to disable the band of superior RSI. Click OK. And this indicator, look, buy, it pumped, sell here. So you buy here, sell here. Maybe that's not a good trade, but you know, it's a trade, right? You short here, sell here, buy here, sell here, short here, and it's probably gonna have a buy signal somewhere around here. And sometimes you can have very big movements like this. Sell here, buy here. That's not that big. But this was kind of a good movement, right? From here, just 47,300 to this, that was okay. You can even wait until the RSI. This is why I just won't use the indicator, this indicator on its own. I'll combine it with something else. Just 1 sec, because a trade that I have going on is playing out, and I have to close and alert the signals group. Yep, closing the Ethereum trade in a second. So what we will do is, let me just alert the signals group. So yeah, this is how it works. You want to combine it with other strategies to get the most out of it, and you just make money. I just shorted Ethereum right here at the top with the signal plus my strategy, and I'm about to close it any second now, probably right now. Just close it right here and alert the group. And we managed to catch BTC as well. So I think I really love the indicator. It works really well. You can, extend it. You can even wait for longer. I just like to be in and out of trades a bit faster than that. I like to, cash out and move on to the next trade. I've been waiting for this setup for all day because I wouldn't take all the sell signals here. I was waiting for, below 200 EMA, a pump with higher RSI plus the signal. But you can do it using your own strategy. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Smash the like button, really helps me out, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.